All right, hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to break down how you can use two phones while driving for Uber to double your earnings, okay? I know I'm walking around right now and getting my setup here, but guys, I literally couldn't wait. Using two phones for Uber is an absolute game changer. And if you don't use two phones, you're missing out on potentially double earnings. There's some drivers who make 20 bucks an hour. There's some drivers who are making $40 an hour doing this method. So please thumbs up the video if you like earning income. And I wanted to thank our sponsor. T-Mobile just bought out this tablet company and they're sending drivers across the nation. You can get signed up in 2.4 minutes. Put that tablet in your car and start earning some income. I love the gig economy, as you can tell. So in today's video, we're checking out how to use two phones to drive for Uber. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, I'm gonna pull up my app here on my phone. Yeah. Okay, so here we go. Let's get started. What we want to do is go to the Uber. See, I have two. These is the two phones here. You can also use another phone as well. But yeah, so you get one phone and go into the Uber driver app. I don't want to show my location, so I'm going to try to, oh, I think I should show my location, sorry. But yeah, so what you want to do is open your Uber driver app. And as you can see here, you got all your opportunities. Wow, $3 bonus on every ride. That's actually really, really good. $4.50 bonus. Uber's thrown out some crazy bonuses lately. 55 bucks for 50 trips. I don't know, what do you guys think about that? But anyways, and now what I wanted to share with you guys, this is where the real magic happens. You open up your Uber passenger app. And let's just say, for instance, you want to go from the, what is it? The Getty Center. Let's just say, for instance, you're doing the Getty Center in Los Angeles. I'm gonna pull it up, the Getty Museum, right? And then let's just say you're driving to Glendale, for instance, right? Glendale Galleria. That's a great, great example. As you can see here, my friends, I can't believe, by the way, they added in Uber Pool again. And look at that for riders. This is really important. For riders, they only save money if it's shared, 20% if it's shared. So they're gonna pay the same amount. That's why Uber X share, Uber Pool sucks, is because passengers are basically paying the same and it's only 20%. I mean, before it was way cheaper and now it's like, what, are you gonna save $1 to do that? I don't think so. Anyways, these rates, guys, 30 bucks. Drivers probably only making like 10 bucks on that ride, but whatever. So what you want to do, my friends, is go into here and let's say you're chilling by Bel Air. You know, this, I recommend this to a lot of my viewers, is you want to drive around and stick into the wealthy neighborhoods. So I like West Hollywood, obviously Beverly Hills is a great area. Bel Air, you can go drive up here in the hills. You'll get some really, really awesome rides. But right over here, guys, this is UCLA, right? This is the campus. So you don't want to be right here. Why? Because these rides, my friends, these are bad rides. They're little college students driving $4 rides, whatever. These people are getting horrible rides. What you want to do is go over here. These are where the mansions are. And you can see there's no drivers there. So you go here, you're going to get all these rides, and you can deny rides too until you get a big $50, $100 ride. Here, if you deny one ride, they're gonna get mad at you because there's all these drivers here. So as long as you do that, my friends, like, you're gonna start making a ton more money because all of a sudden now you're going from taking these $5, $10 rides and all of a sudden you're getting $50 to $100 rides. This could potentially 5x to 10x your earnings. So let me know if you do the two phone Uber trick. Oh, and the reason why it's two phones is because you want to have both apps open at the same exact time. And so just let's say you have two phones, right? Have your Uber passenger app on this side and your Uber driver app open on here. And as you're going, you can see both sides of the spectrum. So anyways, that's the video. Let me know your thoughts. And if you use this one, take care, guys. You guys are great. I love you. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.